see some bees outside. Are they dead?
No, there's a lot of movement going on.
Which one?
Here. Oh, I can't see that one.
Talking about that.
Sorry, I forgot the other one was facing the other way.
Oh yeah. What are you?
Now I...
Uh-oh, I don't see nothing. I might have pulled back there. Oh no, there's some, but this is what happened last time. Okay, so I think we should check the weak hive first.
Yeah.
And then move on to the crazy
Well, the
hive.
other hive has a queen. I didn't think that one was
We
important.
don't know that.
We don't know where she ended up. That's
yeah,
fair.
we don't know.
Loud noise.
Yeah. I already see what we shot.
That's a good sign, though, isn't it? Do you want the scraper?
No, they barely see. Alright.
Okay, that's a good sign.
That's good, yes.
Yeah. Hi, bees. Did you miss us?
Oh shit, this is leaking everywhere.
Yeah, you did not. Hi.
I need to dump this out. It's leaking everywhere.
Oh, okay.
Sorry, guys. I make a big mess sometimes.
That's okay. Hi, bees.
It's all
Hi. Can I help you?
Yeah, start pulling frames out. Let's look for brood.
Sure.
You need to use this.
Does it matter which one I start with?
I'd work on the outside.
Not the middle one? That one looks like this is the easiest to pull.
Yeah, you can just you remember where you are. Oh, they're already cross-combing, you see?
Yeah. Okay.
So you need to use both.
But how do I
You put it on.
How do I get it around the bees?
They move. You just slowly put it on and you squeeze. And then the same there. And you can literally set it on it.
Good. And then just pull.
Yeah, grip. Yeah, pull them both. You lock them in place. Yep, slowly. Always slowly. Okay, let me get a flashlight. I think this is all uncapped honey. I don't see...
This one on this side looks like it. Is that in the corner on the right? On the bottom right? That's just uncapped honey down there?
Yeah, there's nothing in it, so we can put that one back.
Okay.
But it looks like they're fixing everything. So you just do it very slowly. There you go, and it just rests on there. The last few inches are the slowest, so bees don't get crushed. Okay, so move on to the next. Just decide what direction you want to go.
So we just did that one?
Yeah, so you
So
want
we'll
to
do
do
this
this one? That's going to be
There's
easier.
cross come on this too.
Yeah. Yep.
It's okay, they're learning.
Actually won't be able to shine through this, but we'll look. Okay, pull it up slower, okay?
Sorry.
It's okay. That looks like all honey, so go ahead and put that back.
Did you get to check both sides or?
Oh yeah, sorry, I didn't. That's my fault. That looks like all honey they're drying out and capping. So slow. Yep, you're doing great. And try to lift it out as slow as you put it in.
Is this wrong?
No, you got it. You keep going. Yep, there you go.
Give me a second. Those are heavy.
Yeah.
Do I have to remove the beetle catch?
Yeah, we don't want it to fall in, so let me do that.
I caught a bee. It was honey on it and he stopped. Yeah, there he goes. You see him?
I'm busy
Oh,
with
sorry,
this.
sorry.
I can't stop.
Sorry.
Oh good, there's already hive beetles in there.
Oh, good.
See? That's a hive beetle, that black thing.
Yeah, cool.
So
Fuck
it's
'em.
already killed one. Hopefully you can see, Mr. Camera. I have it on autofocus. I'm just praying for the best.
Yeah, I know how that goes. So this one?
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't think I don't think there's actually anything on it. You can just kind of pull it up a little. I don't think they've moved on to it.
I may not have. Yeah, it's light, I can tell.
Okay. So put it back. And let's go with the one all the way to the outside.
This one?
Yep. What you can do is you're just gonna move these like that. Actually, I don't see anything, so you don't even need to. Okay.
Yeah.
So we did this one. Now we need to do this one. Take that cross comb. I'm just helping you.
That black one's the next one? Let me just get to a better position.
Yeah.
Excuse me, please. Excuse me.
Yep. So you just like let it rest on there, and then you know it's all the way down. There you go. And slowly. It might be stuck, but just pull up very slowly, like you put it down. If you hear them go like you did it too fast, so they'll tell you.
Really, really heavy.
You want to put it down? You do it? Then put it
Yeah,
down,
I'm
I'll do
afraid
it.
I won't be able to hold it long enough for you to see anything.
I'll look at it. No, leave the tray on. Yep, leave those hooks on. Just they'll rest, so you can just leave it.
I'm trying to find it.
Okay.
I don't know how to rest them. They just keep coming open.
Okay, let me take them.
Sorry.
This is what I mean when I say rest them like that.
Oh, sorry. That's all.
That's all. Right. Can you give me a little space?
Yeah. And then what am I looking for?
A brood.
So
little black dots
little dot,
inside
okay.
of the honeycomb.
Okay. And they'll just look like black dots, you said?
Yeah. All I see is honey and uncapped honey and honey on this side.
I see, yeah. Honey and...
Yeah, and there's none on this side. I'm gonna put it back.
Okay. A lot of honey though. That one was really heavy.
They're making sure they have what they need to get through the winter.
Yeah, it's a good sign.
Yeah. Oh, no, it's stuck together. You hear them buzzing a little more?
Yeah, they did it to me. The last one was a little too heavy. I think I put it down a little too fast.
All right. Okay, this one looks like
this looks like brood.
I'm shining light. Just do it slowly.
Don't really know what I'm looking for as part of the
Little
problem.
black dots in it. So there's one. See on this side?
That bee that's hanging out?
Yeah. So
I do see.
shine it on that corner for me.
There's like a bee lodged in this side too. I do think there's brood there. Those look really different than the honeycombs.
Yeah, the caps are rounded.
Yeah.
And that's how you know it's not honey. The honey is flat. The brood is
yeah,
rounded.
there was definitely brood in there.
And there's nothing on this side. So
we got a queen cell and we got brood, so they're good, right?
hopefully the brood is within the age for them to turn the queen, and that's a queen's. That's see that little thing?
Yeah, that was the first one we pulled out.
I broke it off and I put it on the side,
Mm-hmm.
and I can see a bee's literally checking it out right now. So
yeah, so I do think they're probably okay.
move.
Hi, friend.
Okay. Sorry, I think I just crushed a bee. I'm sorry, friend. Okay, I want to say we're good, but I just didn't see any brood, like actual uncapped brood, which is...
Well, there was one hole that was open and there was like a half a bee coming out of it. Is that not significant?
Well, it's their age of the brood. They might be too old to become queens already. So you want very young brood, but the queen cup over there will hopefully be what we need. And I saw other queen cells at the bottom.
So I thought I saw one on another slide too.
They might literally be making a queen right now.
Good.
So,
good baby.
Let's put this back. Oh, that honey's water
they're
spilled
not even
all over the
charging
place.
me. Oh, can I help you?
Fuck it.
I mean, it's just honey water. The
Yeah,
sugar
but
water.
it's gonna get like moldy, you know. It's not a big problem. It's not the world at all. Hey friends, can you get out of my face? Thank you.
Hey, they're being way less aggressive today. Not one has dive bombed my face.
Good. So we're gonna give them some sugar water. I'm probably gonna go up there after we're done and bring some down.
Okay.
Oh, we forgot to put the hive beaver.
Oh,
trap
right,
back in.
right.
Let me do it. It's really finicky.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
I think we're okay. And I think I saw queen cells being formed on the bottom of
Yeah,
one of the trays.
I did too, yeah.
They look like peanuts.
Yeah, 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 I saw that too.
Yeah, so they may not have a queen, but they're signaling to make one.
Right, that's a good sign. That's a healthy hive.
That means there was brood at the right age, even
Right.
though we didn't spot it. Damn, you look busy.
Right?
That other hive looks very, very good.
And like, just point in case, there was a bunch of spilled honey in the front of that too, and they definitely cleaned that
Yeah, it's
up.
all gone. Holy shit.
So I bet when we open it up, it's going to be done in the bottom too. They're very efficient bees. They take their job very seriously. Where can I put this that isn't covered in
Oh
honey?
no, one was trapped in here.
Oh
You want to get him out?
no! Oh, he's eating honey.
Yeah, he's been trapped in there.
Can I help you? Can I help you, friend? There you go. There you go. I love moving them.
Yeah, they're so friendly.
They're so cute.
Okay, they have sealed this one shut really well.
Good. And we just opened it like 2 days ago, so they're...
Should we open it or should we leave it alone?
Do you want to check to see that they're cleaning the honey? Are you worried about that? Is it
Yeah,
going to keep you up at night?
Yeah, I am.
Well,
So
let's check it.
I almost fell over right on the hive.
Oh no.
I'll have to go.
Can I help you with something?
No. Hey, fuck off. It's like, I want to sting your nose. Go away. Alright, here comes the depths of hell. Yeah, see how much more they're drinking out of this one?
Yeah, they're a lot busier.
Oh shit, one of the frames was attached to it and I dropped it, so they might be a little angry.
Yeah, one just flew at me, but that's okay.
Yeah, they don't like it when we drop their frames hard.
Yeah. Yeah, they're dive bombing now. Hi, friends. Hi.
Make sure your mask is not touching your
Yeah,
face.
yeah, yeah.
Let's pull the frame out. Getting a little crazy?
A little bit. You might have, let me know. I can still shine the flashlight and stuff.
What?
So I'm still ready to sign the flashlight and stuff.
Okay. I don't think we'll need it for this one.
Oh, you're just checking for the honey, I forgot.
Yeah, I think the queen's probably here. I'm guessing. I don't know.
I don't think the other hive would be making new queen cells if the queen came with them. Hi, friends. Hi, angry friends.
Shine the light. I I can't see.
Looks like capped honey and uncapped. Oh wait, no, I see it. No. Oh no, I think that's a heater bee crawling inside.
Okay.
Yeah, this looks like honey. When you pull the next one out, I just want to look in the bottom and see what the honey is, if they've eaten it.
Okay.
Hi, friends. Hi, angry friends. Alright, I'm moving away.
You okay?
Yeah, they're swarming me.
Okay, you want to take a look inside? See if
Yeah.
they cleaned it out?
Oh yeah, I don't see any.
Good.
It looks dry.
Can you shine a light through here? You have to get it very close.
This looks like
Yeah, I can't even see
honey.
the light shining through.
This looks like honey.
Okay.
I don't see any of those rounded tops.
They already calmed down a little bit. Maybe
They're
not.
still swarming me pretty bad.
Alright, so... Alright, pulling out the next one. Oh, this one's empty. Okay, I'm putting it back down.
Okay.
It's not empty, but it's like they're drawing it out.
Yeah.
So I'm kind of worried about pulling this one out because they cross-comb against the feeder, and I really don't want to fuck with it.
I really don't think we need to check all of those. I think that the fact that this hive has built a new queen cell is proof that the queen did not go with them. And the fact that the other hive is so busy is proof that the queen did not leave it.
Right, the synergy of the hive is much stronger.
Right. Plus, like, as soon as you opened it and that one fell a little bit, like 60 bees came out to fuck with me.
Look at the table. Okay, you need to push them. You need to sweep them off.
Hi, friends. Hi, friends.
It's not going to be perfect, don't worry. Just kind of go around the edge. Okay.
So sorry. I'm so sorry.
So let me just put it on and kind of...
They're just extra angry today. Hi, friends. Can I help you?
Just kind of get them out of the way. Yeah, go, yep. Just like that.
Oh yeah, you're trying desperately to sting me. I know. I know. I'm sorry.
Yeah, they're a little pissed off. They're,
Oh, yeah.
They're very...
Ironically, they're way
vulnerable.
madder today than they were when we did the cross-com. I think it's because it's...
overcast.
I would say it's rainy and it's overcast, and they're just not happy bees today.
Oh no. I need to help that one.
Oh god, I'm just so badly swarmed. Okay, what can I do?
Never mind, I know. One was crushed.
Oh.
Okay. Alright, I think we're in a good place. I'm going to button her up.
Okay.
And I'm going to go get sugar water. And I am coming down here in my bee suit. I don't care what you say about
I would say
taking
today
sugar
would
water.
definitely be a bee suit day. I would not come down here without the bee suit. Do you need me to help you with that, or are you good?
I think I'm good. You can start heading up.
Okay. Well, I'll wait till you're done till you close the bees. I just didn't know if you need me to come back down for the water.
No, I can do all that. Can you take the sticky stuff and I'll carry my camera?
Yeah.
No, actually, I'll get it last. I want to videotape feeding
The
them.
feeding. Okay. Cool.
Good.
Hi, angry bees.
So, what I found here was queen cells in the box that we did the split on. So, probably within 2 weeks, there should be a queen in there. And also, one of the queen cups that I transferred, I stuck on the side, and there's bees all over it checking it out. So, I have some good faith for this hive. I think we're looking good. And this hive is just incredibly strong. So, I don't think we're going to have a problem with it. Whatever they got in there, they probably have enough. But they do need sugar water, so I'm going to go feed them. Alright, time to feed the bees. They need nectar or sugar water. Good old 1-to-1 sugar water. 1 part sugar, 1 part water. There you go, buddy. Oh, he drowned in now. Alright, that one's topped off. Now really, in reality, we don't open this hive for another 2 weeks because they need to regenerate their queen or generate a new queen. Get off me. Get off me. No sting in my nose. Not cool. I mean, they haven't, but, you know, they're trying to, it would seem. Yeah, I go right for my face, I swear. Alright, another one got stuck in the water. There you go, friend. No drowning today. Alright, I think they are topped off. Alright, yo. Alright, buzzy bees. Do your thing. This hive needs to bellet out all of its comb now that I put in fresh trays. This hive needs to do the same, but it also needs a queen. It's either going to make a queen through the regeneration of queen cups, or it's going to take one that I pulled off this hive and they're going to hatch. So, not really sure yet how it's going to play out, but we'll try to leave this hive alone for a few weeks and give them the best chance possible, as they definitely sealed it up. Are you already sealing this? Holy crap. This thing already feels a little sealed. It's amazing. Alright, yo, I'm going to carry the water back and then I'm going to come get my camera. I'm halfway up the hill and they're still trying to get at me. It's alright, that's why we wear a bee suit. Anyway guys, I'm gonna go take off my bee suit and go relax for a bit. It is hot. Hot, hot. Take care y'all. Hive on.